Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hi, welcome to DWBIADDA Angular tutorial. So, in connectivity to the last tutorial, we are going to make modifications to the data we'll receive from this API. So, this is the project. So, I have reloaded the project. You can see in the inspect element that the data console will come. So, right now we are having data, description, ID, and name. So, in process data, I just write console.log. This will be our indication that this is what we have wrote, and then with this we will just console this data. Now I have saved it. So project is reloading. In the inspect element, you can see how the data is looking when we receive it. So this is our indicator, and this is what the data we have received. So we want to manipulate this data so that the changes will take effect over here. So what we do, I take a variable here, data to return, type any. I take up this as an array. So now what I do as an to fill this up, I'll use push method to push data into it. So what we will do, you see in topic.json. So right now at the outer array we have ID, name, and description. So we don't have this score here. So we will take this score out and make a key after name so that it will make itself available in the HTML while rendering. So over here I'll write here, we will create a JSON here. We'll select temp any is equal to, we will write here JSON. Key name will be name, description, and topic. So here we will so I have changed the code a bit. So here you can see we have data, then topics, then the array. So here we will loop through data, dot topics, dot so we need to write a data dot topics dot length. So this means that one by one we will loop through each object, and we will take this variable over here will be temp, and we will delete this. We check up this, paste it there. So here it will be I here dot name, and here it will be description. What here want? Here we want? We want topics which is hidden inside topics n. So that will be topics and the first key. So we will write here topics 0 dot score. So here we write score. So after manipulating this, we'll delete this line, don't need it. After manipulating this temp will return its. So this is what I mean from the manipulation of data. So now we will reload the project. So now you can see how our data looks like. So we are having description, name and score into it. So now the error has started. So error is this, that here in data there is name, score and topic, as you can see, name, description, score. So here we will push the temp into this variable and we will return this. Save it, let the project reload itself. So here you can see we have name, sports and also score outside. So the error is coming because here we are sending topics, which was the last configuration, but right now what is here? So there is no topics, so straight away data is going. So we will send data straight away into it. So now you can see how the arrays look like. Description, name and score. So this is what I mean from the manipulation of the data. So now you can like render score into HTML anywhere. Just go into the HTML, say for example, we want score to be rendered next to the name. This is just an example. So here we just write score, and here we'll see score next to the name. So this is what I was talking about, the manipulation of data. It is a very important concept and we use it maximum time when we create a project. But every time API is not correct, returning us the right. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.